had a very comfortable stay here and I love the location. It was very close to the MRT station and it was easy and quick to get to Pier 22 and the ferry terminal for the ferry to Cianjin Island. There was a great night market only a short walk away. I also appreciated the coin laundry machines that they had available for use in the basement. Happy to have stayed in In's hotel during my stay. Location was great and the room was comfortable. I stayed in a solo room. Shower was good, though a little tricky because the shower and toilet were right next to each other. Am very impressed. Friendly and accommodating staff, clean environment, smells good. Has a neck massager in the room, was able to do my laundry here for 60 NTD per load. Few blocks away from Cianjin station. The location was great for exploring the area, and the cleanliness throughout the property was impressive. The staff were incredibly helpful and friendly, making our stay even more comfortable and safe. We love the location of the hotel, convenient to the Dome of Light station and night market. Felt clean inside and enjoyed the cafe breakfast on our last day. Good location and nice rooms, the water dispenser on every floor and coin laundry/dryers in the basement. Corner property and accessible. Close to the Orange and Red Line. I stay here for 5 times in Taiwan. So good and nice staff. Clean and very beautiful. Location is great. It's close to 2 MRT stations, which makes navigating the city very easy. Close to the Liuhe night market. Lots of food options around. Most importantly, it's clean if you are only looking for a place to rest. Plus mini outlets. Plus windows even for the dormitory. Plus really large and clean bathroom. Plus tea and water at all times. Plus close to the stations and night market. Plus close to amazing local restaurants. The location and properties overall exceeded my expectations. Room was clean, accommodating and excellent value for money. Fantastic location and great little hotel with everything you need and very nice rooms. We'll definitely return again. Very close to 2 subway lines and a night market, and the bathrooms were bigger than I expected for a shared room. This is our second time staying here. Clean rooms. About 5 minutes walk from station. 3 minutes walk to night market.